Have you ever done something that didn't quite match what you believe and then felt that uncomfortable tug inside? Like saying you care about your health but still skipping the gym, or believing honesty is important but still telling a small lie. That uneasy feeling is called cognitive dissonance, and it's one of the most fascinating ideas in social psychology. In today's video, we'll break down what cognitive dissonance is, why it happens, and how it influences our decisions and behavior every single day. So let's start with the meaning. Cognitive means our thoughts and beliefs. Dissonance means a mismatch or conflict. Leon Festinger said that when our thoughts, beliefs, or actions don't match, we feel uncomfortable tension inside. That feeling is called cognitive dissonance. For example, if you believe smoking is bad, but you still smoke, you will feel uncomfortable. To reduce that discomfort, you might stop smoking or try to justify it by saying it helps me relax. This shows that humans always try to keep their thoughts and actions consistent.
According to Festinger, we reduce dissonance in three main ways. Number one, we either try to change the behavior. For example, you might think about quitting smoking. Number two, we change the belief. Example, we start thinking smoking is not that harmful. And number three, we add a new belief. For example, it helps me handle stress. So we change something inside our thinking or outside our behavior to feel balanced again. Now let's understand the Festinger and Carl Smith experiment step by step. Step 1 was the boring task. Students came to the lab and did a super boring task for 30 minutes. They had to turn wooden pegs on a board and everyone hated it. Step 2 was the request to lie. After finishing, the researcher said, the next student is waiting. Can you tell them this experiment is actually fun and interesting? Step 3 was the payment. Some students were paid $1 to lie. Others were paid $20 to lie. Step 4 was the attitude survey. After a while, all students were asked privately, how much did you enjoy the task? They rated it on a scale. The surprising result. The $1 group said that they enjoyed the boring task much more than the $20 group. But why? The $20 group thought, I lied for good money, that's enough reason. So there was no discomfort. But the $1 group thought, $1 is too little reason to lie. Why did I do that? This created cognitive dissonance, discomfort. To reduce it, they changed their thinking and convinced themselves actually the task wasn't that bad. This clearly shows that people change their attitudes to match their behavior. Some psychologists say that the theory doesn't fit everyone or every culture. Later, Daryl Bem gave self perception theory. He said that instead of feeling tension, people often learn about their attitudes by observing their own behavior. But still, cognitive dissonance remains one of the most powerful ideas in understanding how people change their attitudes. Now, let's test ourselves with this question. In the Festinger and Carl Smith experiment, who reported enjoying the boring task more? Option A, the group that was paid $20. Option B, the group that was paid $1. Option C, both groups equally. And option D, neither group.